In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice typing or dictation in Google Docs. This may be a useful tool for those learners that struggle with writing, though it does help to be in a quiet environment for voice typing to work best, which may be a challenge in the classroom. I've got a blank example Google Doc open here, and I simply click on Tools and go down to select Voice Typing. This opens this small window on the left. I click on the microphone button, and the first time I do this I'm going to have to allow Chrome to use my microphone, so I have to click on Allow. And now you can see that as I speak my words are dictated into Google Docs. I simply click the red button to stop recording. And that's it.